I'm found at the fraying edge of oak-filled woods, stretching the craw of my throat, and all the while keeping my wild eye on the city, a keen-sighted, feather-steadied, horn-rimmed look. The night is lifting its lid. One by one the streetlights depart in a sandstone sun, while in the gorge, white beam shimmer green gold. Slugs end their shift. Gulls sweep the streets, laughing as they orbit and plummet into bins, wearing bloody lips from scrapping in the town. Is that sound me talking, or a vehicle reversing? On the green, silver bees appear out of breath. In chainmail shirts and greying beards, they lay themselves to rest, then slowly turn to ash. In the park, crows cough up lumps of coal, their whole being one big arrow pointing here, no here. In flight are a neat black flag. Squirrels sketch the outlines of trees, sat fat over summer, now scramble for their currency. A rat runs full pelt across the road. An injured blackbird quivers in its own cupped hands. A low sun pulls into Temple Meads, past shipwrecked buildings, pigeon murmurings. On the downs, a peregrine gazes out west. Tonight I will dine on rooftops, it thinks. The day becomes as narrow as a tube of web. I take flight to roost, the sky cirrus-winged. Time soon for owls and their baleen combs. Meanwhile, in the garden, a fox paints its paws, then slinks away across the moss-covered path, a kitchen sink sponge, dirty with the weather. Its job is now to pilfer, rifle through bins. Late-night apparitions, ghosts on glass, the drawing of velvet curtains. But me, I dream in waves of silver silk, fade out over the Avon.